Yo, what is up, YouTube? Really appreciate you all for tuning back in. So yeah, let's get straight to it. Yo, what is up, everyone? We are back on live now. Really appreciate you all for tuning back in. And yes, before you tune in to the live stream, just remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. But yeah, honestly, I am ready for this week. We had a great week inside the Discord. Last week, one second here, let me pull up the Discord as well. Pull that up. Alright, so now, let's get straight to it, guys. Yo, Sky Guy, what's up, Good to see you all. Alright, one second here. And personally, it looks like, we'll start on the queues, and then we'll go to, some more trades that I am looking forward to as well. Yo, good to see you. Thanks for pulling up once again. And yeah, hope you guys are enjoying your Sunday too as well. So as you can see right here, right now for the queues, this was the original box that I had. So what I saw here at first was a clear move up of no consolidation that I would want to take to the downside. And obviously, yes, we did have this top wall here. So this is where I originally drew my first wall there. So top, bottom wall there. But yes, still, we could just make that another wall there. As you can see, this bottom wall here, we did end up breaking and closing underneath this wall, which allowed us into the empty space below us. So yes, same exact thing. We ended up breaking below this wall. Hopefully we get to target into this empty space here. That looks really good. Yo, Zax, what's up? Honestly, maybe we possibly will. Just want to see, yeah, definitely how everything opens up, but if it does end up dropping, I do have, maybe some small puts here. So yeah, just waiting on pretty much everything as well. Yo, appreciate you all for tuning back in. Thank you so much. So yes, each day, each trade is going to look exactly alike. What I seen here was a clear move down of no consolidation, a clear move up that I would love to take to the downside. And we had a big drop. So after, especially after market close, we ended up dropping below and boom, into that empty space. So hopefully, let's see if the full move can happen there. So yes, let's go to SPY. Let's go to pretty much everything else. So I had, that was more of a hedge for me, but I had a little bit of Amazon, so it was more, this was more of like a yellow swing that I had. Personally, yes, this move took forever. So yeah, same thing here, guys and gals. I was looking for the same thing, and each trade is going to look exactly the same. So let me go ahead and get rid of this so you guys and gals know what I'm looking at. So yes, what I seen here first was a clear move up of no consolidation. So yes, and this is exactly what we want to the downside. But what do we need here, guys and gals? We need an area of consolidation. And as you can see, we had a bottom wall and top wall. So before, any of this even happened, as you can see, we had this bottom wall here. So two body candles closing directly at the same price. And this is where these candles are having a hard time getting under. And we ended up breaking underneath this wall. So we had a candle body closing underneath this wall here, which allowed us into this empty space. Obviously, it did take forever though. We had a 1 hour box that needed to be broken as well. Yo, Glock, thanks for sharing the live. Yo, fantastic. What's up? Good to see you all. So yes, we had another box that needed to be broken. So a top wall, also a bottom wall, and yes, under us. We finally ended up breaking below. So let's see if the empty space move can go to the downside. But yeah, worked out great, or it's working out great so far. So let's see how that ends up going. All right, so that was on Amazon. Let's go to SPY. Let's go to the lower time frames. I'm pretty much looking for the same trade each and every day. And yes, you can see inside the Discord what we pretty much do here. And yes, we mainly swing trade at the end of the day. So yes, the last hour of the day is when we mainly get into trades. Obviously, this was DLO. Quick move down, no consolidation. We ended up breaking above the wall, targeting to the upside. Same thing with, JPM. So where there's no consolidation, once we break outside of consolidation, this is exactly what I want to the upside. So yeah, same thing. You can see this is what we do inside the VIP Discord, how we call out setups, things of that sort. You can see, even Lunar, this is what we did. I wish I could show you what we what we did on this and all the other ones, but I can't. If you want to see what we did here, you can join. Link in the bio. Join the free chat. We have the VIP chat, but the free chat is pretty much You can see everything. You can see before and the aftermath. So yeah, as of right now, let's keep going. Yo, Jerry, what's up? What's up? PLTR and Tesla. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, we can definitely do that. No worries. So PLTR and Tesla. Let's pull those up too as well. Perfect. Tesla. All right, cool. Yo, Don, fire, man, fire. So, okay, so let's go over. We're going to go over SPY really quickly, and then we'll go over PLTR, Tesla, and I look for the same play each and every day. So in my Discord, we look for the same play each day. We don't change any day, and I can do this on any time frame. Personally, I do see this 4-hour, but let's go down to a lower time frame, and let's see. Yo, Union, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. Thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. So as you can see right here. Maybe a 1 hour looks really good. So, yeah, this looks really decent. And, yes, it looks like, as of right now... Yo, Jeff, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. So, yeah, clear move up. No consolidation here. Looks like we're in this empty space. Personally, for me, what I am looking at, that looks really decent to me. I see this. So, there is a clear move up. And this has no consolidation. And this is exactly... what I would want to the downside. So yes, what do we need? We need a top wall and also a bottom wall. So yeah, there's a nice top. There's also a nice bottom. Yo, JR, what's up? What's up? Good to see you, bro. AGMH. Yeah, I'll definitely take a look at that. Hold on. I don't even know where my notebook is. I'll go get it in a second. But yeah, as you can see, we have the empty space that we like. So yes, I see a clear move up of no consolidation that I would love to take to the downside. And if we end up, so yes, we have a Potter box here, and basically we have a bottom wall that needs to be broken. If we end up breaking below that wall there, I'm looking for the next resistance. Hold on, let me stretch this out a little bit. And I personally don't see any resistance till boom, this next wall here. So yes, this can also be another area consolidation. And I personally don't want to trade in consolidation. So for in consolidation, I don't want to take a trade. But if we break outside of it, so if I have a candle body closing underneath it, then this is exactly what I want to the downside. And yes, obviously, no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research, not financial advice. So yes, please do your own research. Yo, Joe, yep, let me see. I'll definitely, SMCI, how do you draw a support line? So personally, I use the Potter box with the empty space. We'll go over some more examples too as well. Yo, just me and Martial Arts. Good afternoon or good evening. Good to see you all. So yes, what do we see? Top wall, bottom wall. Inside the middle, we have the empty space. So this is where we typically trade most contracts. And so boom, we have everything. Obviously, we're up here. There's nothing for me to do except for to just wait. Yo, thanks for liking the live. Really appreciate it. Do you trade live? So personally, I trade inside of my VIP Discord, so the Discord gets, pretty much everything, all my setups. We mainly take trades at the end of the day, so the last hour is when we mainly take, trades. As you can see, you can see this is how we pretty much do it. So this is my VIP Discord. I let people know what I'm looking at. Obviously I will tell the members like, okay, this is valid, this looks really good. I'm going to get in lightly, going to get in normal position here. So yeah. In my VIP Discord, that's when I mainly take trades. Obviously, I may be in some during the live, and we may be going over them, but yeah, mainly my VIP Discord. But yeah, honestly, if you want to join the free Discord, link is in the bio. No worries. Yo, Pacha, what's up, man? Good to see you. Amelia, what's up? What's up? I'm watching for SPY on the features side, it looks like. Yeah, we'll definitely take a look at that too as well. 1 second here. Oh, PLTR. Hold on, give me a second here. Let's see. What's this on the 4-hour? All right, so this doesn't look bad. Death Special, what's up? What's up? Edgar, my guy. Good to see you all. SPY push. Yeah, we'll definitely take a look at that as well. So as you can see, what do I see here for PLTR? That really caught my eye. So I seen a clear move up of no consolidation. I think we did this on a possible 1 hour. Let's see. Yeah, this was on a 1 hour. So yes, we had a clear move up of no consolidation. Where's the brush? So yes, and this is exactly what I would want to the downside. Obviously, what would I need? Lee, my boy, what's up? What's up? I posted Google in the Discord. Check it out. Yeah, let me check it out. No worries. Did you put it in the post? Yeah, you put it in the post charts. Let's see. We'll take a look at everything as well. So it looks like for this at least, we did have a clear move up of no consolidation. We ended up breaking below a wall. So once we end up breaking below, I don't see any resistance, and boom, looks like we do have room to the downside. So yeah, that's pretty much it as well. Do you live trade when you take your trades? So personally, I will be inside the Discord pretty much typing everything out. If I do end up trading live, it'll be personally the last like 20 minutes of the day. So yes, we mainly get into swing trades at the end of the day. So yes, the last hour. As you can see, like this is what we swung last week. Clear move down to no consolidation. We end up breaking above a wall. So yes, I wait until the last 20 minutes, sometimes even the last 5 minutes. You can see before, aftermath. You could also see Nike end up breaking above the wall, end up going up. BA as well. So yeah, I can show you more charts. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, maybe at the end of the day is when we get into entries. But yes, inside, if we're on like a 15-minute chart and I want a day trade, I will still be in there every single day. Hold on one second here. Oh, yesterday at 1 p.m. VIP. Okay, cool. Gotcha, bro. Hold on. Let me. I'm on my other MacBook too, so let's see. let's see. Google. Okay, I got you, bro. Got you. I do see it as well. So Tesla. Yeah, that does look really good. We'll definitely have to see. But sorry, guys. Tesla. Let's do that as well. All right, this does look really good. So, let's go to a 24-hour chart and then we'll break it down. Looks like, I will be honest, check out Airbnb. Looks good to the downside. Yo, JR, yeah, no worries. Okay, hold on. Give me 1 second, guys and gals. I have to get my notebook so I can write all this down. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We have the free chat, the VIP chat, or you can watch my live streams. But yes, please do your own research, not financial advice. Give me a second. I'll be right back. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back. I swear I'm here. All right, so now let's get straight to it, guys and gals. Appreciate all the follows, by the way. All right, so for Tesla, it looks like, okay, I will be honest, on a 24-hour chart, this is what I have here. And let's see. So what I see here, yeah, we'll go over a smaller time frame as well. So yes, we have a clear move down of no consolidation. And yes, this is exactly what I would want to the upside. Looks like there is a top wall, so a nice top wall there. Nice bottom wall here. And this top wall that I'm seeing, this is, an area where they're, is having a hard time getting over. So if we end up breaking above this level, above this wall, I don't see any resistance until, boom, this green candle here. And yes, this is some good empty space. Obviously, first TP would still be the middle of the move from the entry to the exit. And that is the literal middle of the move. So yeah, as of right now, definitely not, telling you guys about anything, so please do your own research, of course. But yeah, we're still stuck in consolidation, so there's just nothing that I would want to do here except for just to wait. But yeah, let's break this down on a lower time frame too as well. Let's see, 4 hour. Actually, we'll go to a 2 hour and let's see. All right, I do see something here that looks really, really good. Yeah, this looks amazing. So same thing. What do I see? Yeah, exactly. Dude, thanks for the follow, really appreciate it. So, hold on. Yeah, we have a clear move up of no consolidation. This is exactly what I want to the downside. So yes, if there's no consolidation, that's exactly what I'm targeting. That's exactly what I'm aiming for. So there is a nice top here. Now that's a nice bottom wall. So this bottom wall, as you can see, points of contact. Two body counters closing directly the same line. And yes, if we end up breaking underneath this wall here, I look for the next resistance, and I personally don't see any resistance until boom. So yes, this is also another box. So yeah, if we're inside of consolidation, I do not want to take the trade. But if we end up breaking outside of consolidation, so basically trading from one box to the next box, that's exactly when I would want to get in. But yeah, as of right now, there's nothing for me to do. Obviously, no, not saying guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. But yeah, that looks really good. Hopefully, let's see how the price opens up. Looks like we may end up dropping below, but we'll have to see. So yes, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move. So yeah, the literal middle of the move is going to be our empty space. So this is our imbalance. This is exactly where we trim most contracts. But yeah, that looks really good. And yes, all of my setups look exactly like. You can see in my VIP Discord, I can just scroll through and just show you like more setups, how we pretty much, do it into, QQ's 30-minute chart. Doesn't matter which time frame. We break above the wall, we go up a tap. Obviously, that's on a 30-minute. I could show you. We mainly do swing trades at the end of the day, so end of the day is when we mainly get into trades. As you can see, we move down, no consolidation. We have a wall we need to break above. We end up breaking above the wall. We go up a tap. Same thing with SMCI. 3 move down, no consolidation. We end up breaking above the wall, and that's pretty much it. So as you can see, these are a lot of trades that I am looking forward to. What's like Q's, Tesla. Yeah, all right, we did Tesla. Let's go over 1 second here. Let's see, Google. Hold on 1 second here. Google, UNH. Yeah. What's up, everyone? Appreciate you all for tuning in. Are you a millionaire yet? And are your parents? Trust me, they're doing good. They're doing good. Ooh, Google does look really good. Hold on. This is what I see here. AGI. And yes, if you guys want me to see every just throw your recommendations down one more time so I can write it down. I finally have my notebook. So 1 second. All right, yeah, let's write this down. AGI, Amazon, yeah, no worries. Yo, what's up, everyone? Hold on 1 second. UNH, AGI. Oh yeah, Uni, got you. I was trying to scroll in the comments, but I couldn't even see it. Airbnb, so okay, cool. Airbnb, all right, cool. So for Google, this is what I have here, and yes, same exact thing each and every day. I don't change anything. I do like this 2 hour, but yeah, we can go to a 4 hour. It doesn't really matter. On a 4 hour, it does look like we did end up breaking outside of this wall. Hold on 1 second. I just want to see if it lines up here. So it looks like, hold on. Personally, for me, yeah, that does look, really, really good. I do like this 4 hour. Yeah, we'll just go to a 4 hour as well. So what do I see here? Yo, Moneybags, what's up? What's up? Good to see you, man. My guy. So yes, clear move up, no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to the downside. And yes, what do we have? Nice top. Looks like a bottom wall here. And it does look like we did end up breaking underneath this wall. So this is our, access into the empty space. Obviously, this could be another bottom, top wall. And yes, this is the empty space we want. So if we see clear move up, this is exactly what I would want to the downside. Obviously, first TP would still be the middle of the move. And that is from the entry to the exit. So yes, the literal middle. And that's pretty much it for that. So yeah, hopefully we can end up seeing there. Obviously, no, I'm not saying you guys to buy anything. So please do your own research, not financial advice. All right, so that was on Google. That does look really good. I definitely see your charts as well. One second here. SMCI, let's pull that up too. And then we'll also do, hold on. SMCI, we gotta do Airbnb. Cool. All right, so it looks like SMCI has, ended up touching my target. So as you can see, as of right now, we did end up breaking above this wall here into this empty space. But personally, yeah, we did end up breaking above. But let's keep on going. Let's go down to a lower time frame so we can break this down. Yo, what's up, Tori? How are you? Appreciate it. Thanks for pulling up to the live stream once again. Ooh, wow, this looks really good. So yes, each day, each trade, this is what I'm looking for. Personally, I do like this 2 hour. I do like that 4 hour too. It looks really good, but I do want to go where there is more structure. Can you look at Disney or AMD? Yeah, no worries. Diz and AMD. Yeah, appreciate it. Honestly, had a great weekend, so I'm ready to get back to the charts. 1 second here. Diz, AMD. And yes, guys, if you want to join the Discord, if you want to be a part of the team, links in the bio. If you want to see what we do inside the Discord, you can see. You can look at the games page, you can look at the testimonials. You can even ask questions, ask the other members what we do here. We do end of day swing trading. So yes, if you're in the Discord, we mainly swing trade at the end of the day. The last hour is when we mainly get to entries. But yes, I will be doing a lot of work finding day trades for us as well. So 1 second here. Apple, let me see. Yo, Tuck, what's up? AAPL. Yeah, we'll definitely look at that. Can you place orders? I mean, you can definitely, place orders, but you're definitely not going to get filled. I personally just wait until I see my, setup before I do anything. Clear move up, no consolidation. Tesla. Yo, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. All right, so yes, what do I see here? First, we have a clear move up and no consolidation. And once we end up breaking below a wall, so yes, top wall here, bottom wall here, and under us. Yo, thanks for the gifts. Shout out to Tori for pulling up. Really appreciate it. So we have this clear move up with no consolidation, and this is exactly what I want to the downside. Obviously, if we're in consolidation, I do not want to take a trade. So yes, buyers control the bottom wall, and sellers control the top wall. Buyer's job is to keep price pushing up, and seller's job is to keep price pushing down. So if we end up breaking below this wall here, I'm looking for the next resistance, and personally for me, I don't see any resistance until boom. This green and red candle here. And yes, this is another top, another bottom wall. So we aren't trading inside of consolidation, we're trading to consolidation. So where there's candles that are, going back and forth, I don't care about this, at all. I would only care if we can break outside of it, targeting to the downside. What do you think of, yeah, we'll go over UNH and we'll go over AAL as well. So yes, top wall. So yeah, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move. So yes, the middle of this move is going to be, exactly what we want to the downside. So if we end up breaking below, this is exactly what I would like to the downside. So that looks really good. So UNH, AAL, let's go over pretty much, yeah, we'll go over everything. So Airbnb will be next as well. How do you draw the box with the line? So perfect question. Yeah, so no worries. How do I draw this, rectangle, how I draw this box? So pretty much all you would have to do is just go over here. You go over to geometric shapes on the left-hand corner. You go down to rectangle, and then boom, you got your, rectangle. But yes, if you want to add the middle line, you have to do that to yourself. And all you got to do is just double tap it, boom, and then you got your middle line. I like purple, at least for the box, it looks pretty cool. But you can change colors, all that stuff. I missed FCI. Will you be posting that one you just did? Yeah, I'll post it. But yeah, no worries, man. So pretty much what I seen, Moneybags, was I seen a clear move up of no consolidation, and it looks really good to the downside. So yes, I would love a break under that 41 area, and I would love to take it down to that 34 area. So yeah, as of right now, there's just nothing that I would want to do, except for wait. But yeah, I'll probably post this one in the Discord too. Looks really good. yeah, this is TradingView. TradingView is how I go over all my analysis before I do any trades, of course. So Airbnb, we'll go over that. Let me pull up Disney and also AMD as well, and AAL. So one second here. One second. Let me see. Airbnb, SCI. All right, so let's go to a higher time frame, and then we'll break this one down. One second. Yo, Scuba, what's up? Scuba Steve, how are you, man? Oh, wow. So, looks like, yeah, it looks like I did end up missing this one. And AGI, yeah, no worries. Let me pull that up as well. But yeah, looks like, yeah, I will be honest, I did miss this one, but you can see the play ended up working as well. What did we see here? We had a clear move down of no consolidation. And this is exactly what we wanted to the upside. We ended up breaking above my wall. And look what happened. We went up a tap. So I literally just pulled this chart up. So yes, I will be honest, I missed this one. But yeah, you can see the play ended up working. Empty space. We ended up breaking above the wall. We went up a tap. So yeah, I post all charts inside the Discord. One second here. You can literally see like what we do here. All these charts. Hold on, let me see. Just want to pull up some more charts. So as you can see, it doesn't matter if it's on a 1 hour, if it's on a 30-minute. So yes, in my VIP Discord, inside the Discord, I give signals. We do. We have trades together. We have a great community. So yes, if you want to join, you can all join. Or if you don't want to, no worries at all. But yeah, let's go to a lower time frame though. Wait, hold on. There is some empty space here. That looks really good. Hold on, let me see. Let me go down to a lower time frame. Try to break this one down. All right, so on a lower time frame, this is what I'm seeing here. Upside, I missed the key splits, dude. Those those key splits went wild. Honestly, my Amazon went crazy too. So, want to see us dropping a little bit more. So we'll have to see. So 1 second here. Let's see. Top wall, bottom wall here, and as you can see, what do we have? Do I like shop Walmart? Walmart and shop. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, we can go over that. Hold on. So let me write that down before I forget. WMT, I believe, and S and shop. Perfect. Got you guys. Really appreciate it. So personally for me, this is what I see. I have a, I see a clear move up with no consolidation, and this is exactly what I like to the downside. So let me see if it's worth it. Let me go on 1 second here. So you see two body candles closing directly the same line, and once we end up breaking below this wall, I don't see any resistance until boom, this red candle here. And yes, what do we see here? Nice top wall, bottom wall there. So we aren't trading inside of consolidation, we're trading to consolidation. Do you pay for trade chasing trades? Well, there's fees that, you definitely got to pay, but that's pretty much it. But yeah, even like if I trade features like Trade-Evade or Ninja Trader, those are features anyway, so those fees are gonna be pretty high too. So yeah, we'll go over to a 24-hour chart too. But on a 4-hour, this is what I see here. We do have the empty space that looks really good to the downside. But as of right now, let's see. Let's go to a 24-hour. So 1 second here. So on a 24-hour, this looks really decent that I can clearly see. Right now, personally for me. So yes, in the Discord, I don't change anything. It doesn't matter if it was on a 4-hour, 24-hour. I'm looking for the same thing each day. So yes, top wall. We also have a bottom wall here. And this top wall that I'm seeing, there's 2 points of contact that need to be broken in order for us to go up to the upside. So if we end up breaking above that wall there, I don't see any resistance until boom. This red candle here. So yes, this looks really decent. Obviously, there's no entry. There's nothing that I would want to do here except for wait. Hold on. Top wall, bottom wall here. Inside the middle, we do have the imbalance. This is where, we typically trend price. But yeah, as of right now, we're still, consolidating in between both areas. So for me, I personally wouldn't want to take it right now. I'm just going to wait and see how it plays out. Looks really good, though. Not bad, not bad. All right, so that was on Airbnb. Let's go over some more trades. You guys want to see AAL? Gotcha, Simone, no worries. All right, so AO Disney, AGI. Let's swallow these up. The Qs, yeah, Altaro, yeah, no worries. Hold on. An Apple, okay, cool. AAPL, 1 second here. One sec. Ooh, Apple looks really good. Okay, hold on. Let's go to Disney really quickly, and then we'll work our way down as well. So on the 24-hour, man, wow, Disney went absolutely wild. Oh man, I wish I would have. Oh man, it's crazy. But personally, for Disney, this looks really good. And yes, guys, please remember, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. So yes, before you do anything, please do your own research, of course. All right, but what I see here, that looks really good. I see a clear move up that I would love to take to the downside at some point in time. Obviously, definitely not right now because we don't have any structure. So yes, we would need some structure before we end up targeting this one to the downside. As you can see, hold on, maybe on a 4-hour, there may be something that we could end up taking to the downside. One second. I do like that 2-hour. 2-hour looks really good. Let me see if a 1 hour looks decent. All right, so yeah, this is what I'm seeing here. I do like this 2-hour a little bit better. And this doesn't look bad. Obviously, there is, hold on. So there's 2 possible chances here. So what I see here first, so let's just pretend we're just, trying to find a trade. Well, the first thing that I seen was a clear move up of no consolidation that I would love to take to the downside. Obviously, what do I need here? Looks like we need a top wall and a bottom wall. So this top wall that I'm seeing here, so yes, let's look. There's a top, there's also this bottom wall here. And underneath this bottom wall, you can see there are 2 body candles closing directly at the same price. And you can see where, this is where price is having a hard time getting under. And if we end up getting underneath that wall there, I'm looking for the next resistance. And I personally don't see any resistance till boom. This red candle there. And yes, hold on, did not mean to do that. Obviously, yes, from the top wall, bottom wall, this could be another box. So yes, we're not trading inside of consolidation. We're trading to consolidation. So as of right now, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move is going to be exactly what we want. So as of right now, do I want to take anything? Absolutely not. I'm just going to wait. But yeah, this looks really, really good. Now that, like, what, a $5 move down if we can get that. Looks really good. Not bad. Apple looks good. AGI, so we'll go over everything as well. All right, now let's keep on going. Let's see. CFLT, let me see. Yeah, thanks for liking, I really appreciate it. Thank you all so much for tuning in. 1 second here, 1 second. All right, so AGI, personally, let's go. Let's break it down. All right, so this doesn't look bad. It looks like there is some empty space above us. So I do like that 4-hour. Let's see if the 2-hour looks decent. So yeah, I definitely will be honest. Let's see. There is basically a top wall. Gonna box this up. Bottom wall here. Looks like this top wall needs to be broken in order for us to target into this empty space. So yes, empty space is basically just where candles are, not consolidating. And as you can see, there's no consolidation here. We end up breaking above this wall. I don't see any resistance until boom. This green candle here. And yes, what is this, guys and gals? Nice top, nice bottom wall. So in the middle, we do have the empty space. So yes, from the top to the bottom, inside the middle, we have the empty space. It looks really good. So yeah, I personally would just wait. But yes, not telling you guys to buy anything. So please do your own research, not financial advice. Thanks for the follow, Tyler. I really appreciate it. And yes, guys and gals, if you want to join the Discord, links in the bio. We have the free chat. We have the VIP chat. VIP chat is where we give signals. If you want to see what we do here inside the Discord, you can look at the games page. You can look at the testimonials. You can pretty much look at, everything we do here. You can see all my charts, what we look for. And yes, we look for quality setups in the day. All right, so now let's keep going. So it looks like, I will be honest, AAL, looks like we are inside back of a wall here. But personally, hold on, 24-hour, let's see. So it looks like another box is trying to be made here. So there is another top wall, bottom wall there. And personally, now we just need to break outside of this wall here. And I would try into this empty space up here. But yeah, as of right now, definitely wouldn't do anything except for just to wait. I'm definitely not going to, I'm not telling you guys to get into anything. So please do your own research, of course. As you can see, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move is exactly what we want. So yeah, it doesn't look bad. Not bad at all. So AAL, we did that. We did Disney. We did pretty much everything. AAPL. Hold on one second here. Not going to do that. AAPL. Yeah, gotcha. Yeah, no worries. CFLT. Yeah, no worries at all. Gotcha, man. Hold on one second. And yes, I'm pretty much just, you know, getting ready for tomorrow. And this week, so yeah, I'm ready for this week. And yes, if you're planning on joining the Discord, we mainly take trades at the end of the day. So yes, all the games in, you know, the games page. The bigger ones are from, you know, the swing trades from the end of the day. But yes, please do your own research, not financial advice, of course. All right, CFLT. Let's go to a weekly time frame, and then we'll break it down. So it looks like, at least for me, yeah, thanks for sharing the live. I really appreciate it. Oh, and UNH, I forgot to do that one. Hold on one second here. UNH, we'll do Apple too. Hold on one second here. So one second. All right, so CFLT looks like we are stuck inside of a small consolidation zone that needs to be broken. So yeah, if we end up breaking above this wall, I don't see any resistance until the screen candle here. So yes, this little bitty move still looks fairly decent. Obviously, I personally may not take this trade, but yeah, we'll just have to see. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, it doesn't look bad though. Not bad. Obviously, if I can obviously break it down on a 2 hour, 1 hour. So yeah, it's pretty much still gonna work the same way. But yeah, I would pretty much just wait for that bigger move. Doesn't look bad though. Institutional buying AGI. Yeah, I would actually, you know what? We already went over that. So I will definitely do some more research. But yeah, we'll definitely see how that plans out. That is a lot of empty space though. That does look really decent. So if we end up going above there, there's, you know, it doesn't look bad. All right, so for Apple, yo, Pato, what's up? What's up? Good to see you, man. HNST, yeah, no worries. Good to see you all. All right, so UNH. All right, so for Apple, so this is the original wall that I had here, and honestly, it doesn't look bad. So what I see here, or what I seen, or yeah, what we seen here, I think this was Friday. So we had a clear move up of no consolidation, and this is exactly what I wanted to the downside. As you can see, if we're stuck in consolidation, I don't want to take a trade. We had a bottom wall that needed to be broken, and we ended up breaking under this bottom wall here. So yes, I would love to see the empty space get tapped. I don't see any resistance to this 201. Obviously, the first TP would still be the middle of the move. That is from the entry to the exit, the literal middle. So yes, empty space. So where there's no consolidation, that's exactly what I want. So yeah, it doesn't look bad. CFLT, we did that. All right, so for UNH, this is what I had here, and personally, I was looking at this one at the end of the day. I think this was Friday. So as you can see, yo George, what's up? Yeah, I could go over Shiba. Yeah, no worries. So yeah, let's look at this. So what I see here, this is on a 2 hour, obviously. But yes, we have a clear move down. So yes, clear sell off, and this has no consolidation, and this is exactly what I would want to the upside. Obviously, what do I need here? I need a top wall and a bottom wall. So top wall I'm seeing here, and also this bottom wall that I'm seeing looks really good. So the top wall is going to be mainly our most important wall because it needs to be broken in order for us to target to the upside. So as you can see, like I think it was like Friday, we were above the wall, but I didn't want to get in because we were still consolidating. And as you can see, great decision because I would be down that. So yes, once we end up breaking above it, I don't see any resistance to boom, this green candle here. And yes, this is also another area, of consolidation. So yeah, obviously we don't want to trade inside of it. We want to trade from one box to the next. you can see top, bottom here. Inside the middle, we do have the empty space. It looks really good. So yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. Personally, I'm just gonna wait. It doesn't look bad. Not bad at all. So yes, that is there. You want to see Shiba? We could also go over the Qs as well, and also Amazon. So personally, on a, I think we did this on a 24-hour, or was it a, no, hold on. Ooh, that 8-hour looks really good. Okay, so, all right, so for Shiba, this is what I have here. And yeah, it doesn't matter if it's a crypto, it doesn't matter if it's Forex. I look for the same play each day. And let's look. We have the clear move down of no consolidation. This is exactly what I want to the upside. Obviously, what do we have here? We have another top wall, another bottom wall there. And at this top wall that I'm seeing, we have empty space. And if we end up breaking above this wall here, I don't see any resistance till boom. This green candle there. And yes, in the middle, first CP would still be the empty space. So this would be my first CP. So yeah, as of right now, we're, still consolidating, so I definitely wouldn't want to take the trade. So we did Apple. Let's look at AMZN. I think yeah. So yeah, Amazon was another trade that, I've been waiting for quite a while. As you can see, let's look. I can show you that I ended up calling this one out inside the VIP Discord. 1 second here. It's somewhere. Hold on. One second. Hold on, let me see. Let me type it in. AMZN. All right, yeah. So hold on. So yeah, this was at my VIP Discord. You can see this is the before. We're at this 204 area. So as of right now, we are dropping a little bit more, which is a great sign. So we're at this 202 area. As you can see, this is what I would want to happen. So yes, we did have this clear move up of no consolidation that I wanted to take to the downside. And yes, we had a break under the wall. You can see we broke under it, which allowed us into the empty space below. So hopefully we can keep on moving down. Looks really good. Looks really, really decent. So yeah, I was pretty much holding that one out for a very long time. Not too long, but yeah, it was more of a yellow trade. But yeah, it looks really good. We broke under the wall. Now to the downside, we shall go. Obviously, yes, please do your own research. Not financial advice. I'm not saying guys to buy anything. So please do your own research. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat. VIP chat is where we give signals. You can see what we do here inside. In the games page, you can also look inside the testimonial chat. You can see what we do here. In this past 5 months of the journey, I've learned so much, grown so much. All the people inside the Discord are pretty cool too. Yo, JT, Laura, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. All right, so now let's keep on going. So we did Apple. Let's look at NVIDIA too as well. All right, so yeah, we've been waiting on NVIDIA too, or at least I have been. And what I see here that, has really caught my eye, or is catching my eye. All right, so I see this. There is a clear move up. Hold on, let's see if I want to do this on a 1 hour, 2 hour. All right, yeah, this 1 hour looks really nice. So yes, let's just pretend we're, trying to find a trade here. And what do I see here first? Let me move this up. This is getting annoying. All right, cool, perfect. So the first thing I see is a clear move up of no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to the downside. Obviously, what do we see here? We see a Potter box. We see a top wall. We also see this bottom wall here. So this bottom wall that I'm seeing, this is an area that needs to be broken. As you can see, I go by 2 points of contact or more. And look, let's see. One wick here and 2 body candles closing directly at the same line. And if we end up breaking underneath that wall there, so yes, buyers control this level. And their job is to keep price pushing up. So they're, once price ends up coming down to this level, they do want to end up, pushing price up. But we need sellers to step in and a body candle closing underneath this wall in order for us to target the downside. And if we end up breaking below this wall here, I don't see any resistance to boom. And yeah, this looks really good. I definitely will keep an eye on this one for tomorrow. It doesn't look bad at all. Yo, Danny, what's up? What's up? Yo, Black, thanks so much for the follow. Appreciate it. Are you excited for tomorrow? Honestly, man, if it keeps dropping, it's going to be great for us. So yeah, personally, we'll just have to see. Honestly, I'm ready. Take some decent trades, man. Yeah, this one looks really good, I will be honest. But yeah, as of right now, there's no entry, there's nothing we can do here. But yeah, Danny, yeah, we were waiting for a long time for Amazon, man. So I'm glad it ended up, doing what it did into the empty space. Yo, thanks for liking live. Really appreciate it. Thank you all so much for tuning back in. All right, now let's keep on going. 1 second here. HNST, yeah, no worries. Let's pull that up. HNST. But yeah, and the video looks really good. Let's definitely do that as well. Let's see. Dude, honestly, I wish I would have full ported, but it's fine. It's great. Hold on 1 second here. Let's go to a 4-hour. Let's see what we can do here. Alright, so yo, what's up? Which app or website can I see this? So this is on TradingView. So TradingView is how I go over all of my analysis. Yeah, this is TradingView. Dude, go to pin your comment. Bro, we should have full ported. VIP gonna make me crazy money this weekend. Yeah, we had a couple good swings for sure. And bro, yeah, I just had to trust the boxes. I knew the play was still valid. So obviously, no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. So please do your own research. But yeah, man, had to trust the boxes, and this looks pretty good. So as you can see, looks like for this one at least, though, we did end up breaking above this wall. We don't get to the upside, don't see anything. So there, as you can see from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move will be the empty space. So that's really good. Not bad at all. So yeah, this is just an analysis. As of right now, I personally, I can't tell you guys any financial advice. So yes, please do your own research. But yeah, it doesn't look bad if we did end up breaking above the wall. Yo, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. All right, hold on. Let me. Yo, Joakim, what's up? ASTS as well. Thanks for the follow, Hard Trace. Really appreciate it. And yes, if you guys and gals want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. So yes, inside the Discord, I do the same exact thing. We mainly just take swing trades at the end of the day. You can see what we do here. You can see how I pretty much template everything. Disney, this was what calls. I gave entries, exits. We end up breaking above the wall, and yes, we end up going to the upside. All these charts, all these trades are going to look exactly like. I'm pretty much getting ready for Monday, for tomorrow. It's going to be great. So just ready for pretty much everything. Hold on, can't show you anything else but the chart. So yes, please do your own research, not financial advice. We move down, no consolidation. We break above the wall, we test. So yes, end of day swings is mainly what I focused on inside the Discord. You can see, you can look at all the charts. You can ask the members what we do here. But yes, link is in the bio for the Discord if you guys want to join. Or if not, perfectly fine too as well. Actually going to keep up in the video. I want to see how that's going to play out. TM, AMD. Yeah, we'll go over those. Yeah, no worries, no worries. Good to see you all once again. ASTS as well. Yeah, no worries. ASTS. Let's pull those up too. Yo, Pato, what's up? Yeah, we can definitely go over that too as well. No worries. And shop. Oh yeah, dude, I got you, bro. So on a 24-hour, it does look like we do have empty space to the upside a bit. But you know what? Let's just break this down. Personally, for me, this is what I see. Oh yeah, this looks really good. It doesn't look bad. So yeah, same exact thing here, guys. Let me go ahead and move this a bit. What do I see here first? See a clean move up of no consolidation. This is exactly what I want to the downside. Obviously, we have a top wall. There's also a bottom wall here. So if we end up breaking below this wall there, I don't see any resistance until boom. This, what? 53 area. Obviously, first TP would still be the entry to the exit, the middle of the move. So yeah, as of right now, am I going to do anything? Absolutely not. I'm just going to wait. Doesn't look bad though. Definitely going to keep an eye on that. Not bad, not bad. So now let's keep on going. That was on TEM. Let's go to AMD. Oh, wait, hold on. It looks like we did end up. Oh, wow, we did. So, as of right now, hold on, let's see. So, it looks like, and I will be completely honest, let me pull up, we did TM, let's pull up shop too as well, hold on. Oh yeah, that looks really good. So, what did I see here first? So, same exact thing, guys and gals. We see it a clear move up of no consolidation. I can't even see it, hold on 1 second. And this is exactly what we want to see the downside. Obviously, we had a bottom wall that needed to be broken. We did end up breaking below this wall. So yeah, I would love to see us tap into this empty space. Obviously, no, I'm not saying guys to buy anything, so please do your own research, of course. But yeah, it doesn't look bad, not bad at all. Yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. Yeah, we did end up breaking under buyer's control. We should see what happens there. Alright, so, hold on 1 second, guys, 1 second. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back. All right, so hold on 1 second here. So for shop, this is what I have here. POTR, hold on, shop. Yeah, okay, so Affirm, yeah, we'll go over that too. We did AMD, AFRM as well. Let me pull that up too. All right, so for shop, this is what I have. And this is what, you know, basically caught my eye here. And what I see here, we have a clear move up of no consolidation. And yes, this is exactly what I would want to the downside. Obviously, what do we need? Of course, we need a top wall and also a bottom wall here as well. And this bottom wall basically needs to be broken in order for us to target to the downside. So yeah, as you can see here, if we end up breaking below this wall, I'm looking for the next resistance. And personally, me, I don't see any resistance until boom, this red candle there. So yeah, this looks really good. I am not gonna lie, this looks absolutely amazing. So, but we are still in consolidation. There's nothing that I would want to do here at all. End up breaking below. Yes, inside the middle we have empty space. So yeah, it looks really decent. Not bad at all. Personally, I'm waiting for the end of day swings for tomorrow. Yeah, if you want to see the type of plays that we do, if you want to see what we do inside the Discord, you can look at the games page. Links to the bottom for everything. How can you tell? Yo, Young Money, what's up? So personally, I use the Potter Box strategy. So I have the same setups each and every day. So for example, for like 24-hour chart. So yes, this is the end of day swing. What I see here, what I look for, is a clear move down. So I see there was no consolidation. So all red candles that I want to take to the upside. We had a top wall that needed to be broken. And at the end of the day, so yes, at the end of the day is when we mainly get into trades. We ended up breaking above the top wall, and we swung this from one day. The next day we ended up going to the upside. So yes, before, after. Market moves, after hours. So we try to catch the after hour moves, after hour swings. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, if we're stuck in consolidation, so like, let's see. If we're, inside the box, there's no trade. But once we break outside of it, that's exactly when I, want to take the trade. So that's pretty much it. Yo, thanks for the follows, really appreciate it. Yo, thanks for the heart meets, John, really appreciate it. Thanks, man. So we did shop, we did AS, well, we didn't do ASCS. Looks like it did end up trying to the upside. As you can see, all right, so at least for this, what I would, personally wait for, we do have this clear move down of no consolidation. Yeah, this doesn't look bad. We have a nice top, nice bottom wall there. And, yo, Danny, thanks for liking the live stream. Really appreciate it, man. We do have a top wall that needs to be broken. If we end up having a breaking candle closure outside of that wall, I personally don't see any resistance until boom. This green candle there. And yes, looks really decent. Obviously, from the entry to the exit, the middle of the move is going to be the first TP. So yeah, as of right now, if we're in consolidation, I'm not going to take a trade at all. And I would never tell my members, oh, let's get into this, let's get into that, just because, you know, it looks good. No, I have to make sure there's confirmation, pretty much. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So Kava, yo, Thick Stars, what's up, what's up? Good to see you. And BA, yo, Paula, I could definitely do that as well. BA, hold on one second here. We did shop, so hold on one second. All right, let's see. All right, so for Kava, this looks like we did end up trotting back to the downside. Personally, if we do end up dropping more, so yes, there is still a lot of empty space that we could take to the upside. Yo, John, thanks for the gift. Starbucks. Yeah, no worries, no worries. So yeah, let's see. If we end up trotting back above, that would be great. But looks like we do have top wall and bottom wall here. So if we end up breaking below this, there is empty space there. So yeah, just have to be very careful with that. Let's see. S-Bucks. Let's see. Let's pull this up as well. Yo, what's up, guys? CR. Yeah, we'll definitely go over that too. So, Starbucks. This is what I have here. And same exact thing. I've been waiting on this one for pretty long time. As you can see, what I am personally waiting for, this looks really good. And yeah, we've been waiting weeks for this. So I seen a clear move down of no consolidation that I would love to take to the upside, but we need to break over this top wall. So there's nothing that I would want to do here except for just to wait. So yes, we do have top wall, bottom wall. Top wall that I'm seeing is points of contact, so there's 2 points of contact here. Yeah, we've been waiting very, very long. So you know, once we get it, you know, I'll definitely trade it. But as of right now, I'm just gonna wait. So yeah, we have other setups anyway. So that I'm pretty much waiting for. One second here. All right, cool, perfect. So yeah, as you can see, top wall, bottom wall, inside the middle, we have the empty space that I exactly like. So personally, hopefully this week we can finally get it. But as of right now, we're just gonna wait. And yes, all my trades, like I've shown you, for Tesla, man, we were waiting for this for like, literally like, you know, a very long time. Obviously, we traded other stocks, you know, we had other trades. But yes, if we're in consolidation, there's no trade. But once we break outside of it, we go up a test. So yeah, we caught Tesla in the Discord, Nike. We caught a couple other ones too as well. But yeah, it looks really good. A lot of these trades that I am, you know, pretty much waiting for look absolutely amazing. So, and yes, if you're planning on joining the Discord, link is in the bio. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat. We do mainly do swing trades at the end of the day. All right, so I will be honest, for BA, this is what I see here. I've been waiting on this one too, so this is what I personally will wait for. Obviously, yes, there is, you know, some more moves that I can see, but right now, and yes, guys, please remember, do your own research, not financial advice, so please do your own research. But yes, as for this, what do we have? I see this clear move down, has no consolidation. This is exactly what I want to the upside. Obviously, what do we need here? Nice top wall, nice bottom wall here. And above this top wall that I'm seeing, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 points of contact that needs to be broken in order for me to target this upside. So if we end up breaking above this wall, I don't see any resistance to, boom, this green candle here. So yes, from the top to the bottom, inside the middle, we have the empty space that looks really good. So yeah, personally, where are we at? We're at this 202 area, so there's just nothing for me that I would want to do except for just to wait. So yeah, I'm personally going to wait for these trades. And yes, we mainly do swing trades at the end of the day, but you can see inside, you know, the gains page, I do post, you know, we do trade day trades as well. So yeah, this is an example of some day trades that we do end up taking inside the VIP Discord. You can see clear move up, no consolidation. We have a box that needs to be broken. We ended up going crazy. We can, you know, we do any charts. But yeah, it doesn't look bad either. But yeah, I know, even higher it looks really good. So yes, if we even break outside of this wall, we punch through this 97.63 area, we do have empty space up here. So, and even this. So yeah, it looks really, really good. So once it, you know, wants to stop doing, you know, absolutely nothing, that, you know, that'll be great for us. So yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. I'm just going to wait. So hopefully once we do get the move, it acts right. Pretty excited about it though. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. So honestly, even if we do, let's just say we do get this move here, and we end up touching my final TP, I personally may end up just leaving some runners just to see how it'll go. But yeah, as of right now, there's definitely no entry. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. But yeah, it doesn't look bad once we can end up getting that. Doesn't look bad at all. But yes, guys, I will be getting off now. I appreciate you all so much for tuning back in. We're getting ready for the next week, so getting ready for tomorrow. If you want to join the Discord, links in the bio. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat, or I'm live pretty much every single day. So yes, I'll be live in the morning as well. So yes, appreciate you all so much for tuning in. See you all either in the Discord or in the live tomorrow. Have a blessed one, guys. In Jesus' name, amen. See you all soon.